Hello YouTubers. I think you guys got glimpses of the garage. Today I'm gonna go over my garage. It's a space that's about 2 years old. It's still a work in progress. As you can see, we've got nice high ceilings. Lighting is LED. Radiant heating, keep it nice and constant in here, 65. It's comfortable, it's perfect to maintain cars, hang out, and store them for the winter. It's still winter, can't wait for spring, few weeks away. Try and keep it simple, guys. So locally, I've got Meguiar's, I've got Autoglim, Chemical Guys, Mothers. So most of my products are what I could buy locally. I just ordered quite a few products over Amazon, tried them out over the weekend on the F-Type R. I have to say that the Adams mitt, I bought 2 Adams mitts. Here it is right here. It's just drying up. Great mitt, my favorite mitt so far. So it's a quality mitt, holds a lot of water, a lot of soap. Chemical Guys microfiber wash, I'm gonna use it. I just unpacked the Edgeless 365 towels from the Rag Company. First time using Rag Company towels, I'm very excited. So I'm gonna wash them and then see how they perform. If I like them, I'm sure I will. I will keep ordering towels from the Rag Company. I've got Meguiar's drying towel. Down here I've got my wheel and random stuff, but I try and keep everything separate. Obviously for my wheel, separate bucket, separate tools, got the wheel woolies, tire brush, all the basics, nothing special, guys. Like I said, I try and keep it simple. I try and focus on not scratching the paint, and that's it. Just try and keep it simple. If something works, then I don't go crazy and try 17 different brands for pretty much the same thing. Yes, Adams is great. There's a lot of professional stuff out there, Midzurna, name it. I don't do polishing myself, so I don't go crazy. I focus on maintaining my car, kind of a weekend hobby. Got a little light that I set up, a little Costco light with a stand. It didn't cost much. No, it's not color correct. Like I said, I don't polish. I use it mostly to see the interior when I clean the interior of my cars. Got 2 buckets there with the grit guards. Just some towels, nice sink, makes life easier. Foam cannon, and I just got the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth, massive, thick towel. The third of the bottom, I use a smaller microfiber towel. I just don't want that. I don't want to risk that touching the ground or the wheel or the tire. Hose, hot and cold water. So I try and keep, my water room temperature. It just makes things more comfortable when washing a car. Nothing special here, guys. A Karcher K5 does the job. It's 1.4 gallons per minute. So no, I'm not getting that thick foam with my Canon, but it's a good enough tool for what I'm doing, guys. Like I said, weekend washes, maintenance, it does the job. I'm not going to spend $1,000 on a pressure washer for an electric pressure washer. Toolbox. Used to be Ferrari, guys. My father was a Ferrari guy for a long time, and at the time when we bought this cabinet, he had I think a 599, and so we got the Prancing Horse decal on there. Now we'd actually have to change it because it's going to be the second Lamborghini that my father purchases. And that's a bit of surprise. As you can see, the Aventador is no longer in the garage. It's traded in. I will reveal what the next car is. It's a Roadster. I'm gonna tell you what model on another video. got tools. Obviously, I'm not going to just go through all my tools. A lot of Snap-on tools, basics again, little air compressor. I use it pretty much just to inflate tires because I don't like using air compressor for anything else. And to manage air tools, you need a much bigger unit. And like I said, that's not what I'm doing here, guys. I'm just driving cars and washing cars, and I'll do a little bit of bolt-ons, nothing major. So I just try and keep the space as clean and let's say minimalist as possible. Got some chairs there. I'd like to maybe get a little coffee table down here and you know, try and get people over on weekends on a regular basis. I'd love to get maybe one video per week on just different friends and families' cars in here, washing them, and just talking about any subject. So I'd like to maybe get a weekly thing going this summer on top of the driving videos. I'm going to do a lot more in-car footage, exterior car footage. I'm going to get 2 cameras with suction cups. They're going to be on my cars at all times. It's dirty. It's the only vehicle that hasn't been washed. I dread washing this thing, guys. I need a ladder because it's a lot of corners and square angles. It holds water a bit everywhere. I still don't have a master blaster vacuum or blower. I'd like to get one. I'm going to order one soon. That'll definitely speed up the process, the drying process. It's just massive. It takes me hours to properly wash and dry this vehicle. That's it, guys. That's the garage. I just want to share this nice space that I've been working on for a while. You know, just getting equipped, getting the right tools, but as you could see, trying to keep it simple and just enjoy washing the cars, enjoy having friends and family over, having a beer, having a coffee down here while washing or you know, talking about cars, talking about life. It's just always fun. And maybe I'm gonna, you know, start a little weekly garage talk video. So let's see what happens. I'm going to focus on providing more content more regularly and get better video and audio recording equipment. Most of this, guys, has been done with my iPhone 7 Plus and you know, a GoPro. But I know there's a lot out there, and I'm going to just again try and keep it simple, but provide better footage, better audio for you guys. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and let's have fun, guys. Take care.